Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter area and parameter. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So let's just start with the child lesson parameter and area and parameter. So let's just start with the very first lesson, that is parameter. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay. Okay, let's just start with the lesson parameter. So whenever you are given a shape, you have to calculate the parameter of the shape. How do you calculate the parameter? Perimeter is actually the closed area, right? So for example, you are given a shape like this. This is 10 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, and this is 8 centimeter. You have to calculate the parameter. So to have calculate the parameter, you have to add the all side lengths. So just add, it would be 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12. So that would be 16, 28, and then 38 centimeters. So the parameter of the shape is 38 centimeter, right? So whenever you have to calculate the parameter, you have to add up all the side lengths, right? So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, what is the parameter of the parallelogram? So which is the correct option? Parallelogram have opposite sides equal in length, right? So this one is 19 plus 120. This one is also 19 and plus 120. So the correct option is 20 plus 20 equals, yes, 20 plus 20 equals 40. The correct option is 40. Okay, what is parameter? You have to add up all the side lengths. So just add all three sides. It would be 53.4, right? The correct option is 53.4 because you have to add all the side lengths. So it would be 53.4. Okay, what is the parameter of the rectangle? So you have to add all these side lengths, right? So when you add, it would be, hold on, let me just add. That would be 133.8, right? So that means the second option is the correct one. It would be 133.8. Okay, what is the parameter of the square? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 96, right? Okay, what is the parameter? You have to add up all the side lengths, right? So it would be 23.9, that would be 90. Okay, no, we have different. 23.9 plus 23.9 plus 23.9 plus 26.7. Okay, so the correct option is 98.4, right? The correct option is 98.4. Okay, what is the parameter? So, which is the correct option? So, the correct option is 28, 29, 30, 35. It is the correct option is 35. You have to add up all the side lengths, so that would be 35. Okay, what is the parameter of the square? That would be 68. The correct option is 68. What is the parameter of the rectangle? So, which is the correct option? Yes, it is 60. The correct option is 60. Okay, what is the parameter? The correct option is 3 feet. Okay, what is the parameter of the parallelogram? You have to add all the side lengths, right? So the correct option is 48 yards. You can add, it would be 48 yards. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So the next one is area of rectangles and squares, right? Let's just do a quick review on the area of squares and rectangles. Let me just write down the lesson name. Okay, let's just start with the area of square. So square has all four sides equal in length, right? So the area of the square is side times side, right? The area of square is side times side, right? Or either you can say length times width, but because the square has all four sides equal in length, so that would be just side times side, or you can say side square, right? Then the area of rectangle has opposite two sides equal in length, right? Square has all four sides equal in length. Rectangle is like this one and this one are same in length, and this one and this one are same in length, right? So the area of the rectangle equal length time width, or either you can say x times y, right? So for example, you are given a rectangle This one is 6 meters. This one is 10 meters. So obviously because the opposite sides are equal in length, so this one is also 6 and this one is also 10. Just use the formula, that is length time width, area equals length time width. Length is 10, width is 6, 10 times 6 equals 60 meters square. So the length of the rectangle is 60 meters square, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Area of rectangles and squares. Okay, let's just start with the test. Okay, so which is the correct option? You are given the rectangle, you have to calculate the area. What is the area? So which is the correct option? You have to do, yes, 7 times 9. So the correct option is 63, right? Okay, what is the area of the square? Yes, that means that is a square, so you have to do 8 times 8, so that would be 64. So the correct option is 64. Okay, again you are given with a square, you have to calculate the area. So area of the square is, yes, that would be 10 times 10 equals 100, because that is a square, so that would be 100, right? Okay, what is the area of the square? Yes, you have to do 4 times 4, and 4 times 4 equals 16. So the correct option is 16 square yards. Okay, what is the area of square? Yes, that would be 16. 4 times 4 makes 16, so it is 16. Okay, the next one is you have to calculate the area of a rectangle, right? So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 80. 10 times 8 is 80, so that would be 80. Okay, what is the area? Yes, that would be 6 times 3, and that makes 18. Okay, what is the area of the square? That would be 9 times 9, that is 81. Okay, what is the area? So, which is the correct option? Yes, it is 20. The correct option is 20. What is the area of the square? Yes, that would be 6 times 6 is 36 square yards. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just see the next lesson. The next lesson is area of parallelogram and triangles. Okay, let's just see how do we calculate the area of parallelograms, and let me just write down lesson name, area of parallelogram and triangles, right? Okay, let's just see how do we calculate the area of parallelogram and the triangles. So whenever, for example, you are given with a triangle, you have to calculate the area of the triangle, right? So the formula for the area of triangle is half times base times height, right? For example, you are given a triangle like this. This is 6 meter, this is 3 meter. So you have to do half times. This is base is 3, and height is 6. So 6 times 3 is 18, 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So the area of the triangle is 9, right? Okay, so if you are given with a parallelogram is the one that has opposite sides parallel, right? Area of parallelogram, right? It is like this. So this one and this one parallel, this one and this one parallel, right? And the area of the parallelogram is base times height, right? You nothing have to do. You are given with a height and base, so just multiply base and height, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is the area of the shaded region? So which is the correct option? You are given the base and height, right? So just use the formula of the that would be half times base times height. So it would be half times base is 7 and height is 7.1, right? So that would be 49 divided by 2. That is, hold on, let me just 24.85, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. 24.85 is the correct option. Okay, what is the area? You are given a parallelogram. You have to calculate the area. So area of the parallelogram would be base times height, right? You are given the base is 2 and height is 4, right? So area is 2 times 4, that makes 8. The correct option is 8. Okay, what is the area of the shaded region? So which is the correct option? You have to do half times base times height. So it is, that would be 55 square kilometers, right? Okay, what is the area? So which is the correct option? You have to do base times height, right? Then you have to do 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So the correct option is 6, right? Okay, what is the area? Which is the correct option? For the triangle, it is half times base times height, right? So it would be 20 times 17. So it would be 170. The correct option is 170. Okay, what is the area? The area of the triangle is, yes, that would be 3. The correct option is 3. That would be 49. The correct option is 49. Okay, what is the area? Yes, that would be 140. Half times base times height, that would be 140, right? Okay, what is the area? Yes, that would be 63. The correct option is 63. Okay, what is the area? So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 35 square inches, right? Okay, what is the area? The correct option is 28. Okay, what is the area? So which is the correct option? That would be 30. The correct option is 30, right? 60? Oh, you have to base times height. That would be 60. That is parallelogram, not the triangle. Okay, what is the area? So, which is the correct option? You have to use the formula that is half times base times height. So, it would be 6. The correct option is 6. Okay, what is the area? Which is the correct option? That would be 6 times 3, right? That is 18. 18 over 2 is 9, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we are working on grade 10 math. The lesson, the chapter we're working on is area and perimeter. The lessons we have covered today are perimeter, area of rectangle and squares, and area of parallelogram and triangles, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can please ask. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.